In this video, I'm going to show you how to install STBEmu Pro on FireStick quickly and easily. STBEmu Pro is a popular app used for streaming IPTV services on your FireStick device. First, go to the Settings menu on your FireStick, then click on My Fire TV. Next, select Developer Options and turn on Apps from Unknown Sources. This allows you to install third-party apps like STBEmu Pro. Now, return to the home screen and open the Downloader app. If you don't have it, go to the Amazon App Store, search for Downloader, and install it. Open the Downloader app and type the URL for the STBEmu Pro APK file. You can find this APK by searching for it online or by visiting trusted websites like APK Mirror. After entering the URL, click Go. Downloader will begin to download the STBEmu Pro APK. Once the download is complete, tap on Install to install the app on your FireStick. Once installed, open STBEmu Pro from the Apps section of your FireStick. You'll be prompted to enter your IPTV provider's portal URL and configure the settings based on your IPTV subscription. That's it. You've successfully learned how to install STBEmu Pro on FireStick. If this video helped you, please like and subscribe to the channel.